Hello everyone and welcome to Review Information. Today I will show you how to tag someone in your post in Instagram. Go to the Instagram app from your apps list. Go to the camera icon from the top left corner. Go to the gallery. Select the photo on which you want to tag someone. Now tap on the double symbol from the top right corner. You can change the color from here. Now type the @ symbol from your keypad. Then type the person's profile name whom you want to tag in this photo. Tap on Done from the top right corner. You can move the profile name anywhere in the photo or you can resize the profile name. Tap on Send to button. Tap on the Share button. Tap on Done. That's it. You have successfully tagged a person in your photo. Tap on your story. If you tap on the profile name, you can see the person profile will pop up. By tapping his name, you can easily go to the person's profile. So that is how you can tag someone in your photo or videos very easily. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.